Did you know you're only one click away from getting unlimited free buyer traffic and leads with the power of our brand new software, Commission Pages? We've been successfully using Commission Pages for the past years to generate unlimited free buyer traffic and leads, and more importantly, sales and commissions. Forget small change commissions. Commission Pages has allowed us to make an easy 3 to 4 figures per day from multiple income streams. This software uses a combination of marketing strategies to generate sales from low ticket offers and high ticket offers, meaning we've been able to use this app to make $1,000 plus per day on a very regular basis, which has allowed us to live the real laptop lifestyle. The best part about this software and system, because it's 100% done for you, there's zero learning curve or experience needed. And unlike almost every other method out there, you won't need a social audience, existing email list, paid traffic, or your own products, and you won't even need to create videos. None of that is required with Commission Pages. If that sounds good, listen up. My team and I built an incredible first-of-its-kind software that is exactly what is required to succeed online. Introducing the world's most powerful, easiest and fastest traffic and commission app, Commission Pages. Thanks to cutting-edge technology, Commission Pages gets you unlimited free buyer traffic and leads using the power of highly profitable commission pages which take less than 60 seconds to set up. And for the record, this has nothing to do with ranking sites on Google, paying for overpriced traffic, creating complicated products or videos or anything like that. We created Commission Pages for beginners just like you, so you can finally break through and get results fast. With Commission Pages, you get the 100% done-for-you cloud-based app and a built-in free traffic source, meaning all you'll need to do is plug your Commission Page into the free traffic to start seeing major success. Commission Pages is as easy as ABC, and it takes less than 60 seconds to get started. Step 1, log into the cloud-based app. Step 2, select one of the done-for-you commission pages or use the drag and drop builder to create your own. Step 3, profit. Hit activate to enjoy unlimited free buyer traffic and leads that line up to purchase the products you're promoting. It really is that simple, and it sounds simple because it is simple. We develop Commission Pages to give beginners and struggling marketers the edge they need so that people just like you can get that kickstart their business truly deserves. Commission Pages revolutionizes brand new technology to maximize your commissions and leads from free traffic. Before today, results like these were only possible for gurus with massive budgets. Now they're at your fingertips with done-for-you commission pages that outperform anything else on the market. Commission Pages is perfect for beginners as an all-in-one traffic, leads and sales solution. You're pre-approved for each affiliate offer inside, so there's absolutely no waiting around. We've included step-by-step training to walk you through the straightforward setup and strategies for getting the best results. The system is also built to grow with you. On top of the done-for-you commission pages, you get the standalone app for making your own custom commission pages from scratch, plus multiple top converting landing page templates, 100% done-for-you free traffic included, and as a launch exclusive, we're hosting all of your commission pages, meaning you have zero overhead costs to run this. With Commission Pages, you could just use the included pages and have 10 income streams running 24/7 without cracking a sweat. Then, when you're ready to scale things up, just customize your own commission pages and leverage the built-in traffic to maximize profits. Now at this point, you're probably thinking this unique commission generating app is going to cost you an absolute fortune, and yes, under normal circumstances, you'd be 100% right to think that, considering most software tools and resources that do similar tasks not only start at around $297, but typically charge at least $197 per month to run. But today, you won't be paying $197 per month. You won't even be paying $97 a month. No, not even $97 a month. As we want as many people to succeed with this software, we've decided to remove the monthly fee completely. When you act during this limited launch period, you won't be paying monthly. In fact, we're going to give you an amazing deal. When you act right now, you can get in for a one-time price without any monthly fees. You can literally get in for less than the price of a couple of fancy coffees at Starbucks. And it gets even better. When you act right now, you'll also get more than 70 plus brand new money-making bonuses worth thousands absolutely free. You can see all the juicy details below. Please note, these bonuses are not your typical PLR bonuses like you're used to seeing. Each one of these premium bonuses can easily be sold for at least $100 each, but you're going to get them absolutely free. And to make this a no-brainer for you, we're totally removing all of the risk with our unheard of, no questions asked, 180-day money-back guarantee. Yep. That's right, you're getting 180 days to try this out. If it doesn't work out for you, contact our support desk and we'll get you a prompt refund. This is an absolute no-brainer, so hurry and take action right now because the price of commission pages is increasing every 60 minutes. If you come back later, you will pay more, and we don't want you to miss out. If you want to make a real change in your life with our 100% done-for-you cloud-based app, click the buy button below right now to lock in your discount and get instant access to commission pages at a mind-blowing one-time price. Check below for even more details about this incredible brand new cloud-based app, then hurry to lock in your access at this exclusive discount. I'll see you on the inside.